Introducing PVC trim with PaintPro Technology from AZEK Exteriors. Trim engineered for a low-maintenance paintable finish. PVC trim with PaintPro Technology is engineered to achieve superior paint adhesion for long-lasting performance without the frequent maintenance. Reduce the hassle of painting trim with no sanding or priming required, a faster dry time, and reliable bonding, even in high humidity. PaintPro projects require fewer coats, less time to install, and less effort to maintain. Painting exterior trim has never been so easy. Lesser trim substrates like wood or fiber cement can quickly experience cracked, peeling paint when exposed to the elements. PaintPro trim creates a superior bond with paints for long-lasting adhesion. That superior adhesion, combined with moisture-resistant performance of PVC, delivers a long-lasting painted finish that will stay beautiful for years to come. With more efficient painting and a longer-lasting finish, you experience more flexibility and potential with your designs. BIM ready and backed by the AZEK lifetime warranty, choose the trim substrate that is easier to paint with low-maintenance finish. PVC trim with PaintPro Technology by AZEK Exteriors.